Question number 11. Find the value of x which satisfy the inequation -2 is less than equal to 1 upon 2 minus 2x upon 3 less than equal to 1 whole 5 upon 6. X belongs to natural number. Graph the solution set on number line. Given -2 is less than equal to 1 upon 2 minus 2x upon 3 less than equal to 1 whole 5 upon 6. Which implies -2 less than equal to 1 upon 2 minus 2x upon 3 less than equal to 6 1s are 6 plus 5 11 upon 6. -2 less than equal to LCM of 2 and 3 is equal to 6. 3 multiplied by 1 and 2 multiplied by minus 2x, that is equal to minus 4x. 3 minus 4x upon 6 is less than equal to 11 upon 6, which implies 6 we are multiplying LCM of 6 and 1 is equal to 6. So 6 multiplied by 2, that is minus 12 less than equal to 3 minus 4x less than equal to 11. 6 multiplied by 2, 6 is cancelled. 11 upon 6 into 6, that will be cancelled. Minus 12 minus 3 less than equal to minus 4x less than equal to 11 minus 3. Which implies minus 15 less than equal to minus 4x less than equal to 11 minus 3 is equal to 8. Dividing by 4, minus 15 upon 4 less than equal to minus 4x upon 4 less than equal to 8 upon 4. And multiplying minus sign both sides. This in equations in negative sign, that is 15 upon 4, that is positive, and less than equal to change into greater than equal to, and that is positive x greater than equal to minus 2. This will be negative. And 15 upon 4 means 3 4s are 12. 3 upon 4 greater than equal to x greater than equal to minus 2. And solution set. So solution set is equal to 3 whole 3 upon 2. X belongs to natural number, and 3 whole 3 upon 4 greater than equal to x. So solution set will be natural number means positive number, that is 1, 2 and 3 less than equal to 3 point something, that is 3. So solution set is equal to 1 to 3. And graph the solution set on number line. Number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. X dash minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and minus 4. X belongs to natural number. Natural number is started by 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. It's number line. Answer. Given question is minus 2 less than equal to 1 upon 2 minus 2x upon 3 less than equal to 1 whole 5 upon 6, and implies minus 2 less than equal to 1 upon 2 minus 2x upon 3 less than equal to 6 1s are 6 plus 5 is 11 upon 6. First step. And minus 2 upon 1, LCM of 2 and 3 is equal to 6. So 3 multiplied by 1, 3, 2 multiplied by 2x minus 4x, 3 minus 4x divided by 6 less than equal to 11 upon 6. Minus 12, LCM is 6 and we are multiplying 6 by 2 minus 12, and 6 is cancelled, and 3 minus 4x is less than equal to 11. We are subtracting this in equations in minus 3 plus 3 shifting left side and right side, that will be minus 3 and minus 4x less than equal to 11 minus 3, minus 12 minus 3, that is minus 15, and less than equal to minus 4x less than equal to 11 minus 8 is equal to 11 minus 3 is equal to 8, and dividing by 4, minus 15 upon 4 less than equal to minus 4x upon 4, this is cancelled, and less than equal to 8 upon 4, 4 2s are 8. This is negative. We are multiplying this in equations by negative sign, minus 1, so it will be positive. Less than equal to will be greater than equal to, less than equal to will be greater than equal to, and positive will be negative, minus 2. So x belongs to natural number. Natural number is started by 1 2 3 4, and 3 whole 3 upon 4 is greater than equal to, x is greater than equal to minus 2. So solution set will be 1 2 and 3. Required solution set is equal to 1 2 3, and number line, its number line is 1 2 and 3. Answer. Question number 12. If x belongs to whole number, find the solution set of 3 upon 5x minus 2x minus 1 upon 3 greater than 1. Also graph the solution set on the number line if possible. Given 3x upon 5 minus 2x minus 1 upon 3 is greater than 1. LCM of 5 and 3 is 15, and 3 multiplied by 3x, that is equal to 9x, minus 5 multiplied by 2x, that is 5 2s are 10x, and 5 multiplied by 1 is 5, and minus minus will be positive 5, and divided by 15 greater than 1, and 15 multiplied by 1, so we get 9x minus 10x plus 5 is greater than 15. and we are shifting 5 in right side, it will be negative, and 9x minus 10x left side, 15 minus 5. So we get minus 10x plus 9x is equal to minus x. Minus x is greater than 10, and we are multiplying this inequations in negative sign, minus 1, x will be positive and greater than will be less than. So x is positive, greater than will be less than, and positive 10 will be negative 10. Implies by x is less than minus 10. And according to question, if x belongs to whole number, and whole number is x is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on, then x is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on, whole number, but x is less than minus 10, it's not possible on the number line. It's not possible on the number line. Given 3x upon 5 minus 2x minus 1 upon 3 is greater than 1, and 3 multiplied by 3x, that is 9x, minus 5 2s are 10x, minus minus plus 5 1s are 5. LCM 15, 15 multiplied by right side, 15 1s are 15, and 10x minus 9x is equal to 1x, but 10x is negative, this will be negative x minus x, and minus x is greater than 15 minus 5 is 10, so left we are multiplying this by negative sign, minus x will be positive, greater than will be less than, and positive 10 will be negative, so x less than minus 10. X belongs to whole number, and whole number is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 so on, but x is less than minus 10, so it's not possible on number line, hence proved. Thank you so much.